Hi you guys, happy Durga Puja. A lot of people tell that I look like a Bengali, like, so I thought why not transform myself into a Bengali girl, and as it's Durga Puja, I thought like this would be really appropriate to be doing in the Durga Puja time. I couldn't wear a sari because I don't know how to, but yeah, I tried doing my best. I hope I could do justice to all the beautiful Bengali girls out there. And yeah, without further ado, please keep on watching. Alright you guys, I cleansed my face with the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser, which was followed by the Nutriderm Moisturizer. This is the most hyped and most used combination ever. And then taking the Sugars Bling It On Illuminating Moisturizer, I hydrated my face even more. And taking the Faces Canada Primerizer, I used it as a primer. And then for foundation, I took the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. It's a really good foundation and it's very affordable, you guys. So yeah, I like it very much. Next, taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. I am using it for highlighting so that my face has a lot more depth and definition. So yeah. Next, taking the Earth Rhythms Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Mermaid, I guess. I am applying it on the areas I love to look pink and flushed. And next, taking this K-Beauty's compact, I am setting all the areas I used my concealer on so that it doesn't crease. Next, taking the Nykaa's eyeshadow palette in the shade Daydreaming, Beachside Beach, and taking this shade right here. I'm using it as a transition shade, you guys. Next, taking this shade, I'm gonna place it a little below the transition, as well as I'm going to use it on the outer corner, basically the outer third of my eye. And take your time in blending, you guys. Blending is the key to good eyeshadow and a good makeup. And next, I took this gold shade from the palette itself, and I'm using it on the 2/3 of my eye, basically the shades like wherever the orange is not there. And now I'm basically balancing out everything. And take your time, please take your time. Eyeshadow is not something you can do in a minute. It takes a lot of time and patience, you guys. Next, again taking a small pointy pencil brush, you like to say, and taking a peach shade on it. I am again balancing out everything and using the Nykaa's Oh My Brow Mascara. I am doing my eyebrows. Believe me, you guys, this is the easiest and the quickest way to do your eyebrows basically, and it's just so easy. I love it. Next, taking this Fit Me blush by Maybelline, I am topping it on top of the liquid one, and using the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer, I'm gonna both bronze and contour using this same product. Make a fish face, and you know it. It's now taking this shade right here that you see on the screen. I am going to smudge it on the, not exactly smudge it, but apply it on the lower lash line, so that again, like, smudging the eyeshadow on the lower lash line makes a lot of difference. And next, I use this kajal by Lakme and I applied it, a very thick kajal, because Bengali girls have beautiful eyes and I feel my eyes look bigger when I apply a kajal. If you have smaller eyes, you can also use a nude or a white kajal. Next, taking the Magnetize eyeliner by Faces Canada. This is my favorite eyeliner. So yeah, now using this, I am again making a classic winged liner. And taking this mascara by Mars, I am using it. And this is a really good waterproof mascara. In the festive season, you'll definitely need a waterproof and long-lasting mascara, and this one is really nice. And then I'm just using a red lipstick. You can use any red lipstick you want, but just be sure of the undertone, if it's suiting your skin or not. And the one I'm using is by Sugar. And this right here is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. And all these 9 days of Navratri, in fact all 10 days, there are going to be 10 different looks and videos. So stay tuned, and bye you guys. Alright, you guys, that was it for this look. I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next video of the series. Bye everyone.